คลาดสันงดบักกันทบยาอีกลุงบัดอารงดกิลองกเมนักจิงหาบกะกาลีชาริยัตฮากาลินตีนัชลองชาดาวกีกันนอke MEECL Union ya ka jingbam don kila jingerap ya ki nong tre ha kitanat paper bad dawa ya ka jingshim kia jongki bor badai khmi bad nakilinti ki singkin shaki min simbrio kumno uba Nicholas Karnami ula sedang ya ka linti banwan ra ya ka jingkala hajala Meghalaya ki khabor ki babnya Kajingyaki jangka sang Non-Gazetted Employees Association jangka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kalapoi syakasngi kabakat kandai ha kajingyaki bala penlong ha William Point kabadawa yak jingpelat yak ketulap kabala saateng menta lasapo arbenai kani kajingyaki kabala sedang ha kahnyo terek unaitung kalong halor kajing penslem bansiu ya ketulap jangkinong tere kum kadak bandan ketilang ha kani kajingyaki laingut ki dekot kalyang persha na Trinamool Congress uchirak moment upadinan di Shira badu Alfonsius Marak kilaya snok tilang bat kinong tere ka council.
We come here to highlight our meetings with His Excellency Governor of Meghalaya on the 1st of August, and whatever we have raised, the issue of GHADC, that means the pending salary due for long 43 months, and then the abruptly adjourning of the GHADC session and the codification of Garo customary law. With these 3 points, we met Honorable Governor, and then we got positive response from His Excellency Governor of Meghalaya.
Sangut ki brio bakentup ya arngut ki longkemi bat ikelung shenrang badang khat prabnai kila klat no hakaba ka kali ka bakishong kala hap syariat ka bajrong kumbah nyo phuput hajan rengan hakalenti na Shillong Shadauki East KHASI Hills District kani kalaja hakapor nyo bejia jong kamit ngi ublei kani ka kali kadang thmu banlej shapen ursla na ribhoy hakaba unongnya shim lala shu bante lakam ya ka kali haka khongdong bat ka jingbam yo ibha ya kalenti arngut nakibayap kidei na soyong bat laingut pat kidei na kashnong linkerdem kibahiyang hasem kila kerpat ban anamdan ya ka postmortem. Nation Committee of Registered MEECL Associations and Unions kalakot penlong ya kajingalang hinegasngi banyatai halor kijinge babun jaj bakinong tre jongka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited kiakendu habakran syakilat pathai khubor hadian kajingalang u President Union uba Arju Dakar ula kedau bakinong tre hakitanat baper bakentup ya ka accounts office staff but security kila pendap bha ya laki kamram Henry Kipteng banyakendu ya bun ki jingbam don ki lat jingerap ki union kala kentu ya ki bor penyai ke MEECL ban shimkia bat pen baik mardor ya kini ki jing e
organization that we look unison with one voice for all the issues that each one of us
Thank you very much. So we'll have a photo.
wait yeah all the leaders will be here
Long live Sigarma! Long live Sigarma! Inkalab! Sigarma! Inkalab! Sigarma!
Some of the contractual employees attained their superannuation without being regularized, and not a single penny was paid to them. It is very unfortunate after serving this organization for more than 20 years. So we would request the management to come up with a clear-cut policy within the month on regularization of contractual employees, and also to ensure that our security guard who are manning vital installations are paid as per their dues and right.
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress bat ka Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress hinne kasni kalapan long ya ka jingelang kabala long ha Don Bosco Square lai umkra ban pinrem ya ka jingsha kem ki arngot ki sister I Preeti Mary bat I Vandana Francis ha Chhattisgarh bat ka jingbam la ban pediang ya ki jing thombor persha ya ki Kristan ha kalengkari Haka jingkren u General Secretary ke MPCC u ba Manuel Batwar ula keno ba kasan perthai ban penyapaj jong ke BJP kalong ke bambha na ke benta ka jingeteli hakari bat kan pen mentoy tang ha kasan perthai
to have a stand because we still live
BJP ke Yasinsyar kalongum ke jengai bor isit nyam Hindu ke badan hakeleng ke India bakan lekat bakabon bakan nya ba parap ki jajing parap baper ban pentron ban smej ban penting ya kirit ba hani apokari India bejongi
to see that this kind of divisive politics that is being played by various parties just so that they will win votes is something which is against the constitution, something which is against humanity, as I say, because this is something which obviously brings a lot of fear amongst the people, especially the minorities, because then people don't feel as if they live in that country where they have the right to live a dignified life, and that is something which is very alarming.
Ke kabala sedang kum ka radio talk show lani ka program ya kren hapo radio syapang ki playo kala kala long ka lenti jingkala kabala pen khot ya ki lenti ki singkin kala pen kala ya ki jingmut jing perkhat bar kala pen don buram ya ka jing start jing syampang jong ki maintenance parliament ki bala lech phai no na kani ka sla perthai tungin ya ngap ya ki khana syapang u klawat ka me mariang na nong ba shillong u ba Nicholas Karnami unong seng jong ka campaign my Meghalaya my pride bar ka jing sedang terekam kabasu thid ha kaban kentiu ya kiriti dustur tenrai kibayajan bat kami mariang bat ban yakun persha ya ka jing jakria na ki plastik
ha ka perthai ka balangam jelop ha ka plastik uba Nicholas Karnami ula jed ban pen kho chua ka wei ka lenti om tang da ki ki jong u hindai da ka jing kemen ba khian phai dia ka jing lenti kelas dang hox nam 8000 shipho kum ka jimpe benapat ba ha ka program ekran ha po radio bala ai keteng ka playo club ha FM radio station jong ka ulala kani ka jimpe benapat ba la ne ka campaign ka thmu ban kintiu ya ka jimpe dan kam ya ki plucking tenrai ban ya ka bapendan kam ya ki plastic ki bran shibun ki jingma bat ki jingkta ya ka me mariang ha ka bas dang lakhot da ka mai shalong my pride bat ka bala pat shaka tabut bala tho ya ka phang pedeng say no to plastics la ne ong air me ki plastic da ka playo club ka bala jobru ya ka khusnam ka baningkong ha ka jingya Republic Day parade ha uju snam
when I got an opportunity once again to work for radio, which is Radio Mirchi on 91.1. That's when I got another opportunity to use radio as a medium to communicate and to raise this concern with regards to environmental issues. And that's when I came up with this show of mine called My Shillong, My Pride, to quiz people about Shillong and its beauty and its events and its history and everything else. But at the same time, it also took over from the Partners of Playo campaign to become a campaign for My Shillong, My Pride.
kajing sedang ya lenti ka pura jong u kelas sedang lumba ka rensan social media ha ka ba ulapen pau perthai ya kajing berat pathar ya kinyut kinyat bat ki jakria haslen per ka surok bonfire ka penyusno ya ka South Furlong bat ki Shillong College wilayah peteng ya kajing penapat ba ka jong u bat ulabu ha social media na ka benta apa pras ngilenter tadhabu ba ka ne ka jaka kandak hoi ta suba sendon umau mer ubadei ujing job ubakhrau tam e jong u kajing ade ka bajali jong uba Nicholas bat ka mariang kawanru ya kijing kan mau jong u ya ki por jinglong khana rit ukan mau kumnu imi e jong u hakis nam khat khanai spa pha poter ter itam ki plastic na surok sat yaki bat that pen khyang yaki bat nang ta sa pendan kambiang yaki pan song yaki khater khong hadukan ka jong i Katu kat nis nam hadian lengba kan ni ke jing pendapat ba ke jong u ula sungut hu syai kedar bagi jing le jong imi e jong u kidai kidak kishin ki benengkong ha ka bai dei bat ke jing tip lem ya ka me mariang.
So when we happen to ask, when I happen to ask her, why Megha, why are you doing this? And she said, this is going to be the greatest threat for our environment. That is what the vision or the far-sightedness that she had. That message was actually sowed in my heart to actually eventually realize that I need to carry the baton. I need to carry that flame of hers towards this consciousness that she had with regards to the environmental concerns that we'll be facing day and age.
Kajinga lendi jong uba Nicholas Karnami kapen kan mawingi ba kijing kala ki bashisha kisdang omtang na kijing ay jingkran lani ha kijing perta hende ha ki kam ki baret ki bayay beteng nakapor syakapor bantam ki jabo jaban banjit ya katenrai banyai ru marwe la dalong kabadan kam namar hateng banyalam ya kijing kala don kam tang uwei ubri ubashlur shisha bansedang yaka. Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya.
Ha ka jingja basngausan uwe usab divisional agriculture officer jongka southwest Garo Hills uteseng sangma ula sha rong ha ka umba jongka wa ganol hinin kasngi uteseng ula persang bankam shashilyang na ka jingking haselawari edenbari hajantura ha ka jingyalik kai shiyeng chisam habawan kani ka jingja lapenlong ya ka jingwat pan lap yu.
After the incidents, I have engaged those search operation team, SDRF, fire tender staff, and police team. So right after the informations, we went to the spot, Pelgawari. Then after the Pelgawari, we came towards the Selawari. After receiving the informations, I have also informed to concern Damalgre and Garobada OC and IC, and they are also engaged in this search operation.
Kadorbar snong beridwa bahap hapo karaj marwet hima Williams aimship hene kasngi kalajit yo uba Yohanes Narleng kum urang ba snong bapura hadin bala senshar ya kasnong da acting rang ba snong uba Narleng ula yo prapunyo vote da ka bapenram ya ki bayale persha yo kata uba Augustin Nongrum bat uba Alexius Narleng ki bala yo marhinyo phwe bat saupo ar vote la penyat ya kani ka jingjit da kinong mi khmat ka hima William.
Sundar.
Hapadeng ka jing penher krat ka Assam ya ki Minder ka Federation of KHASI Giant ya Garo People hinne ka lapenlong ya ka jing khanra ya ki trading license ya baro ki nong bu dukan banabar jela hakashnong nong halam umsur bat nongjri bahap hapo ka Ranikor Civil Subdivision Southwest KHASI Hills District hapo ka jingelam jong president uba Kenneth June El Nonglaj ka Federation kalalap ya kattu ka nitili ki dukan jong ki bar jela ki baple klem dayo ya ka trading license bat kumta kaseng kala khang shipor ya kini ki dukan
trading license to the council
आपको पहला आपसे मिलेगा लाइसेंस तो लेने बड़ी इसी लो
Mat nilalam bagi don katu kini hidupan ki bom don ki trading license bat bom hidupan kubala sukhan khadat hi hadin dan nakliang ni rasang ila penong gil khandra trading license kini jaga lagi don pada hidupan kubala ki babiang kok sak trading license bom license bat ke nakliang ni rasang ni kentu ngilak khang kerdep ro ini ki dukan ki bom don ko islah
ka program ai jinghikai bashitiyo na ka benta ka batch paningkong jong ka yuva apda mitra volunteer hapo ka national service scheme kala kutno hine kasngi ha conference hall jong ka ribhoi college nongpo lapenlong yakni ka jing ai jinghikai da ka state disaster management authority but ka district disaster management authority ribhoi district kani ka jing ai jinghikai ka thmu banhikai ki volunteer ka nss da ki jinghikai ba kongsan la dawan ka jingling shop ka mariang banlong ki balakre ban ai jing sumar bat ka jing yaisha ya ki nong shong shnong bat ki thau ha kani kasngi lawan bani shembanta langru da udc ka ribhoi u abilash baranwal mentangin ya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun bene hatura ka jing kriat kalong ar degree celsius ba ka jing shit kalong lipo degree celsius ka jing sngam ka hawa kalong proper na ka shispa ba ka jing hap slap kalong sun point r millimeter haba phai pat hanong ba shilong ka jing kriat kalong khat khandai degree celsius ba ka jing shit kalong r degree celsius ka jing sngam ka hawa kalong khandai phoi na ka shispa ba ka jing hap slap kalong point lai millimeter kat ba hajo wai pat ka jing kriat kalong khat khandai degree celsius ba ka jing shit kalong r degree celsius ka jing sngam ka hawa kalong proper na shispa bat ka jing hap slap kalong iwei 0.1 mm kala bandan ka jing hap slap ka jing tir upar that aki babon ki jaka hatura shalong bat jawai te parlo ka tung lap poi shaka bakut jong ka thuk ko ba jing im ta ka jan mit hadu mane sham yamut pila shai kasni khoble pi baro
has good people as bad people. So we need to be good people in all the communities, and then Manipur becomes normal. If we keep on instigating different people against each other, that may not be a good thing to do.